Heat pump question. We are considering buying a heat pump furnace for my home in North Texas. I am looking for opinions on two products I am choosing between, specifically the quality of the product, functionality, if others have encountered issues with these products, etc. I am not familiar with GRE at all. I am confident either company we are choosing will do a clean, appropriate install. 1 GRE Flex 17 SEER, 54,000 BTU 5-ton with an American Standard 100 kBTU 80% gas furnace. 2 Bosch Variable Speed 20 SEER 5-ton with a Bosch High Efficiency Variable Speed gas furnace. Question from user NJ2TX Ashley at HVAC Advice at Reddit. Answer. What are the prices? I'm gonna say Bosch unless it's a crazy price. Answer from user Dirtimani at HVAC Advice at Reddit.